Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to share any streaming website account without sharing any password, so let's get started. Before we head into the video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. So many times we have an experience that a friend asks you for an account for any streaming website like Amazon Prime Videos and Hotstar, but you don't want to share the ID and the password, because you have kept the password the same for all the accounts like Gmail, Facebook, and others. So here is a trick to solve this problem. Go to your Chrome browser and head over to the web store and search for the application called Share Account and install it on your Chrome browser. So now the extension is successfully installed on your Chrome. The next step is to head over to the account which you want to share, so I am using Hotstar here. I am already logged into the account. Now head over to the Share Account extension. Click on the Share Account. It would ask you for the recipient code, so now ask your friend to install the extension on their system and go to the receiving account and copy the recipient code. And tell them to share their recipient code to you, so now paste the code. You can select the time that you want to share the account for, suppose for 1 hour. Or then you will get the share result. Copy the result. And send it to your friend and tell them to paste it on their share result and click on Receive. So now you can see that you have successfully shared your Hotstar Premium account with your friend without sharing any password or ID. So how cool is that? Meet you guys in another video. Till then, stay tuned.